invest, what kind of returns, at least returns, the least returns you would look for in a deal as a passive investor?
So I think now the returns are coming down a little bit more just because of the markets, and the deal itself are a little bit harder and harder to find. So our expectations as the investors have to come down just a little bit. So what I'm seeing right now is if we can see like a 1.5, 1.6 multiple, we'll take a look at that. But what we also look for is the cash flowing aspect of it. So we like to see if there's some type of cash flowing assets that we can also benefit from, as well as the upside. So we're not just looking purely for appreciation. We're looking for the value add component with the cash flow that goes with along with it. So probably within the 3 to 5 year hold period time, maybe 1.5, 1.6 and above equity multiple. And then also probably cash on cash is about 7% if we can get to that, and then IRR maybe about like 15% and above. But it really depends on the sponsor itself. The metrics can be fantastic with one sponsor versus another sponsor, but I probably would invest maybe with a smaller, lesser return with a more trusted sponsor than somebody I don't trust that has higher and better returns.
Awesome. No, that's what I just wanted to make sure that, at least in what I heard is at least 10 to 12 AAR. I mean, or 15 IRR means that maybe 17, 18 AAR, 1.8 to 1.9x. So these are typical returns that we would look for in real estate passive investors, as a passive investor, right? I mean, that's what you mentioned. And these are across the board. I mean, it's not just one deal versus another deal. Some deal may be better, some deal may be. So they all average out somewhere anywhere from 1.5 to 1.8x in 5 years, 3 to 5 year hold.